Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony XG300 speaker and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair this speaker with your application. At first, open your app. Here tap don't allow for notifications, but if you want to have notifications from this application, tap allow. Here tap I read the above content and agree, and here select your country region of residence. Select where you live. For us it will be United States, for example. Now we have to tap next, again proceed, OK, and allow. Here, as you can see, our app automatically detected our speaker. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.